I'm just video. It's not a picture.
This is me, Trinity, and this little girl I have. This is me, and she climbs up like a bucket ship.
Now, let me have her. Mommy's going to put her back, and you're going to record so we can show everybody how she climbs out. And you move your fingers out of the way. Hold it on top. Like that. Okay, I'm going to go and say that.
Dirt.
Why are you doing that? You're gonna go upstairs. You're gonna get upstairs. Give her back, Mom. Give her back.
You want to push her back out?
I
Here. Move your fingers. Oh.
And then that dog.
This broken? Oh, really? Oh, so even when it's attached, it doesn't work?
Yeah, it slams closed.
Oh,
So
drag
hard that if you sit outside and watch the door slam,
Yeah.
the whole front window
It's just-
it was like it's really like I said, it knocks the magnet off of our sign.
That's great. Rihanna.
Did it just two?
No.
Yeah,
What's that?
I think he just went, oh. Because he's happy now that you're holding her.
Oh, that's for the fishermen.
What's the feature, man?
Yeah, we have them on sale doing it right now.
Oh, little pumpkin.
I'm trying to tell her how she's nice. Ew, ew. Mom, take that off. What is that?
I don't know, maybe just some food.
Supposed to buy them largely.
Now she stays calm and quiet. Little drama queen.
This is me and my little pup I love. And I kill Bernard, and she claims that like a Spider-Man.
And her little face tucked in. Aww.
This is me and
Put her
Paul.
down, put her down.
This is me and Paul. Being so